Are you tired of pests ruining your garden? Today, we're going to change that narrative. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on Integrated Pest Management, also known as IPM. This approach is a game changer for all you DIY gardeners out there, eager to take pest control into your own hands. But what exactly is IPM? It's an effective and environmentally sensitive approach that relies on a combination of common sense practices to manage garden pests. It focuses on long-term prevention of pests or their damage, keeping in mind the health of our precious ecosystem. IPM uses current, comprehensive information on the life cycles of pests and their interaction with the environment. This information, in combination with available pest control methods, is used to manage pest damage by the most economical means and with the least possible hazard to people, property, and the environment. Stay with us as we delve into the 5 key strategies of IPM to give you a pest-free garden. Prevention is better than cure, and the same goes for managing pests in your garden. Let's dive into preventive measures, a powerful first line of defense in our Integrated Pest Management toolkit. Visualize a shield around your garden, a barrier that keeps those pesky bugs at bay. That's what row covers and netting do in essence, providing a physical deterrent to protect your precious crops from pest damage. Imagine a lightweight blanket, allowing sunlight, air, and moisture to reach your plants, yet denying access to destructive insects. That's the magic of floating row covers. By setting up these preventive measures, you're not just reacting to pests, you're anticipating them, you're staying one step ahead. It's like having your personal garden security system, keeping those uninvited guests out before they even think about causing trouble. Preventive measures are a proactive way to keep pests from causing havoc in your garden. Remember, it's always easier to prevent a problem than to fix one. Your gardening habits can have a significant impact on pest control. Cultural controls are all about creating an environment that's unfavorable for pests, yet conducive for your plants. Think sanitation. Regularly removing plant debris and weeds can reduce places pests love to hide. Consider adjusting your planting schedules too. By avoiding peak pest activity periods, you can drastically lessen the chances of infestations. It's a simple, yet effective strategy. Adopting these cultural practices will promote plant health and discourage pests. Mother Nature has her own pest control agents. These are the biological controls, a smart and sustainable method to keep pest populations in check. By introducing natural enemies of pests into your garden, you tap into the circle of life to maintain balance. Think ladybugs, lacewings, or predatory mites preying on aphids, thrips, and spider mites. Or attract beneficial insects by planting nectar-rich flowers and offering habitat features like insect hotels. In the end, biological controls provide an eco-friendly solution to your pest problems. When all else fails, chemical controls come into play, but remember, they are a last resort. Now, don't let the term chemical controls scare you away. We're not talking about harsh, synthetic substances that wreak havoc on the environment. Instead, we're focusing on more gentle yet effective options. Chemical pesticides, when used sparingly and strategically, can provide a helping hand in the battle against pests. A soap solution, for instance, can be a simple and effective remedy against soft-bodied nuisances like aphids and mites. It's all about targeting the pests without causing unnecessary harm to beneficial insects or the surrounding ecosystem. Botanical insecticides derived from natural sources like pyrethrum or neem oil offer another solution. They're designed to control specific pests, reducing the potential for collateral damage to your garden's friendly critters. In essence, it's about balance and responsibility. Use chemical controls as a tool, not a crutch. When used responsibly, chemical controls can effectively manage pest populations. Keeping an eye on your garden regularly can make a world of difference. Monitoring pest activity is crucial in assessing the effectiveness of your pest control measures. Weekly inspections can help spot signs of damage or pest presence early on. But observation isn't enough. Keep a garden journal. Track pest populations, note the control methods you've used, and record their outcomes. It's like having a garden detective's notebook. Regular monitoring and record keeping will help you assess and adjust your pest control strategies. With the right tools and knowledge, pest-free gardening is within your grasp. We've journeyed through preventive measures, cultural and biological controls, judicious use of chemicals, and the importance of monitoring and record keeping. Each strategy is a vital piece of the integrated pest management puzzle, designed to tackle pests effectively while preserving beneficial insects and the environment. Remember, your garden is a living ecosystem, and with these IPM practices, you are its diligent caretaker. Embrace integrated pest management and watch your garden thrive like never before.